Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone is surviving well. So if you're anything like me, you like to EDC. You also like to fix things and build things and put things together. And you're also just getting into watches. Now I'm not talking smartwatches, I'm talking real watches. But you're probably saying to yourself, well, yeah, but what do all of those things have to do with one another? Well, this box right here answers that question. I want to thank them for sending this out. I did reach out to them, ask them if they were willing to send out a product sample, and actually they sent out two. One got lost in the mail, thank you FedEx, but when we decided that it was officially lost, that they did send out a second one, which completely boggled my mind. That is fantastic. I want to thank Rebecca over there, she's been great, and let's get into this. So we have a couple cards here, one of which is in Chinese and one of which is in English. We do have a QR code, and this is the Flight series and this is the Pilot watch. So we have the watch, also have a couple extra bands, and then we also have some tools here. So this is the standard set of tools. Nice hard case. Let's see what the tools are. Right now that is bugging me because that is upside down for you. Alright, much better. So starting from this side here, we have some sort of wooden pick or pry tool. It is double-sided. We have a pair of tweezers. We have a hand setting tool. Again, double-sided. And we have a couple hand removal tools. You're probably asking yourself, well, why do you need those if you're building this? Well, things don't always go to plan, and sometimes you need to back out and do things over again. And we also have a small flathead screwdriver. On this side here we have a blower, and nice thing is it has a valve on it, so you can squeeze it as pretty much as fast as you want to. And the whole point of this is that cleanliness is next to godliness when it comes to watches and building them, and you don't want to get any finger oils or dust on the any of the parts on the inside. So you use that to clean as much as you can, at least the dust. And we also have a phone stand, and the reason behind this is there are many videos on their website, and I think on YouTube, on building this. So you're not alone. You can watch all the videos all the way through and build it with somebody. Also have a watch back removal tool, or watch back wrench. We have a monocle. I'll look like the guy from Monopoly. We have a watch case cushion. I pretty much think of everything on this. And right here we have the finger condoms. Just what everybody needs. We also have a microfiber cloth in there, as well as some, looks like some tack, and a watch hand. I think that's part of the removal process. You slide that underneath it so you don't damage the face or the dial of the watch. So we'll put that aside. Take a quick look at the extra watch bands. So we have a couple NATO straps. get out of there. Alright, we have some more, well, we have some springs here. And then we have another NATO strap. Now the watch itself. Now I'm not going to build this in this video. I will make a part 2 and maybe even a part 3. And because it does say that it could take up to 2 hours to build. I don't think it's going to take that long, but I don't want to have a completely, extremely long build video here. We have a nice leather strap. We have a watch case with the stem and the crown installed, and the back. And it's nice that it has a see-through back so we can see the movement. And speaking of the movement is in this nice protective case. So this is an automatic. It does not have a battery. It is powered by the movement of your hands and your body. And I'm not sure if this has any complications. Complication would be a day or day of the month, or even months. Now here are the very delicate parts of the watch. So right here we have the face or the dial of the watch. Be careful not to touch it. So this looks like we do not have any extra complications, or any complications I should say. And then this right here would be the hands. They did send extras just in case that you do end up bending them. So we have an hour and minute hands, 2 of each, and we have second hands, 2 of those. So this is gonna be fun, and I look forward to it. So I want to thank Rebecca over at DIY Watch Club, and I want to thank DIY Watch Club as well. I want to thank you for stopping in and checking out this video. I greatly appreciate it, and make sure you check out parts 2 and maybe even parts 3 when they do come out. And as always, I greatly appreciate you stopping in. I hope everyone's having a great day, and I'll see you next time.